Come. Come on.
Coming.
Let's go. Can you hear me?
Coming.
Okay,
Yeah.
so go to caves. Yeah, go to caves.
Ooh, it's nice. Ah. Oh man. I guess you have to
And
press it.
gotta wait for him.
Ah.
Yo, try to not say anything like demonetization earlier, okay? Please, YouTube, do not demonetize this video. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I say anything demonetization. I would not. Not bad words. I wouldn't ever say bad
Who is
words.
that?
YouTube. So yeah. YouTube, I'm not trying to get demonetized. Videos live. Okay? If I actually say something that we do not know, something that's actually a thing, do not demonetize us. Oh, we're sorry. Sorry, actually said that. We do not know it exists. Okay, we're saying a different part. We're saying something different. Okay?
Yeah, bro.
Yo, just mind me. Go here.
Copper.
Mind all things you see. Some rare cases you could just simply just collect all these pieces.
Hee-haw.
So if I ever
Hee-haw.
died with my backpack on in any of these videos,
Sorry, bro.
you guys gotta give me credit. You guys literally gotta give me like $15.99, okay? No, $5.90.
Hee-haw. Hee-haw.
Get out!
Bro, it said hee-haw.
What's a yeehaw? Wait, what is that? Is that something you found off TV or YouTube?
Hee-haw.
Don't say that. Don't say that. I don't want to get demonetized. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. If this video does get demonetized, I'm gonna have to post another part. Please, YouTube, I'm serious. Please don't demonetize me on this video, okay? Dude, they're actually go to YouTube Studios and literally.
But you wanna rather have this?
Nah.
There.
Okay, I'm not. Oh shoot, the wrong way. I'm screaming.
Ow. I died.
You kind of remind me about one of those minigun skins, you know, in Gorilla Tag. I mean, somewhere to.
Sorry.
How is really hoping for the best this video does not get demonetized. You know how even if it does, I'm still keep it a private. I'm gonna keep this video private. Maybe not actually. If it is demonetization, then I'm gonna delete it or keep it as private. Cause you know I could do.
Yeah, bro.
What's up, dude? My whole thing is gone.
I got a research point. A research
Cool.
point.
You got research points? Great. Just I think it's some more research points real quick. So you got a research point? What? What did you get? What did you get?
Look.
Oh, shoot, that's good. I said shoot. Once again, YouTube, I said shoot. Okay?
Nice.
I say some good words. Not I said shoot. That was the type of version.